Hey guys, my name is Taylor and I'm on the team at Qube Money, and I'm driving into work today, and I wanted to talk about 3 ways to save money on Christmas using Qube. Tip number 1, don't go into debt, right? And that's impossible with Qube Money, which is awesome. But the average US consumer spends over $900 on Christmas. $900, let that sink in. It's a lot of money. Now, I don't care if you spend $900 or $1,000 or $10,000, but don't go into debt to do it. It's not worth it. All right, so tip number 2 is have a budget, right? So Christmas isn't a surprise. It happens every year. So one of the best ways that my family handles Christmas is that we plan for it. So we literally have a cube called Christmas, a goal cube called Christmas. And every month throughout the year, we contribute X amount of dollars to our Christmas goal cube. And that way, when Christmas comes around, the money's already there. And there's no stress, and it's really awesome. So budget for it. And then the other thing that you can do, which helps a lot, is create a cube for each person that you're spending money on. So like in our family, we have a cube for grandparents, we have a cube for siblings, we have a cube for donations, right? And that way there's no guilt or anything associated with spending because the money's already there, it's already allocated to the person. It works really well, and it clears up a lot of confusion around Christmas time on who's buying what for who. Okay, so that's tip number 2, have a budget. And tip number 3 is, maybe you don't have to buy anything for Christmas, right? I mean, we have 2 kiddos, and we have my parents and grandparents, and really some of the best gifts is just spending quality time with the people that you love. So I know it's really easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of Christmas, and going to Christmas tree shop and spending $40 on illuminated candles and like $65 on holiday popcorn. But yeah, I mean, you don't have to spend anything, and sometimes the best gifts are the ones that don't cost any money at all. So I hope that helps. I hope that brings a little bit of encouragement this holiday season. And yeah, so that was 3 ways to save money on Christmas using Qube. And thanks so much for watching.